Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat. We're inside the Kia Carnival and today we're going to be reviewing it. So let's quickly get started. The Kia Carnival offers up features and luxuries that you can't really find on even SUVs or sedans of this price bracket. This is a really massive vehicle. It's got a really enormous presence on the street and you can see it coming at you from a distance. The DRLs are LED DRLs, and if you pick the Prestige variant and above, you also continue to get LED projector headlamps. We've got the limousine variant, which is the highest of the lot. You also get these alloy wheels. Now these are 18-inch alloy wheels and Kia calls them the sputtering finish alloy wheels. It does look like a van and it is elongated, so it does give you that feel, but it still has that aggressive on-road presence. You get LED tail lamps on this, and the boot is also electronically activated. Really interesting chrome accents all over the exterior. Night illumination in the front handles. Button press to unlock the car on all four doors. The motorized sliding doors are one of the coolest features of this car and make it look really impressive. It's got a really baller kind of a look. It looks amazing when the doors open up for you. It's fully equipped to make modern day driving comfortable for you. This variant has a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and you also have your Yuvo Connect along with volume controls and basic infotainment features. There's an air purifier that sits in the center console. The touchscreen is also connected to a multi-speaker Harman Kardon sound setup. The speakers are amazing and they deliver on that sound quality promise. Now the seats are really comfortable and plush as well in the limousine variant, again leather-wrapped. What you get in the driver's seat is a seat ventilation. We've got a 2.2-liter engine that produces 200 horsepower, then also produces 440 Newton meter of torque. This car has an 8-speed automatic transmission that also is quick on the shifts. You also have a manual mode here. You don't have paddle shifters. That is something that I would have liked to see. Driver's seat is also 10-way power adjustable. The passenger seat is manual and the rear limousine seats are also manual. And I would have liked to see all electronic seats, at least in the first 4 seats of the car. The quality of the interior is really up there. We have 2 sunroofs here, one in the front and one in the rear. Both are extremely large. So one of the coolest features of the Kia Carnival is the Yuvo Connect app. So you can simply connect the Yuvo Connect app and connect to your car, start the engine and set up the climate and pre-cool it before they reach the car itself. Not only are these seats individual captain seats, but they also have additional reclining capabilities. We also have independent controls for the rear aircon. We also have rear screen entertainment on both sides, so you have 10-inch screens on both the seats. It's easy to drive the car even though it's large and unwieldy. But for now, for what it's worth, for what it offers with respect to comfort, with drivability and features, the Kia Carnival is definitely a special vehicle, and it's for those people who like a lot of space. But that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyan. If you want us to do more car videos, let us know in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one.